Hello everyone and welcome back. So what does virality mean and what exactly makes a post go viral? So I think it's important to actually look at the science behind how to go viral before you start putting these tips in place. So virality is a term used to describe the rapid spread of content across the internet, especially through social media platforms. In the context of social media, virality is often measured by the number of views, shares, likes, comments and engagement on a piece of content that it generates within a short period of time. A post that goes viral typically reaches a large number of people, often beyond the creator's initial network, and can generate significant publicity, attention and impact. So the science behind what makes a post go viral is a complex and multifaceted topic. However, several common factors have been identified that can help explain why certain content tends to spread more than others. Here are some of the key characteristics that viral posts share. Number one is the emotional appeal. This is one of the main and most important ways for a post to go viral because people are more likely to share content that evokes strong emotions, such as humour, anger, happiness or sadness. Emotional content tends to elicit a reaction from viewers, and people often share content to express their emotions and connect with others who feel the same way. Next, we have relevance. So content that is relevant to people's interests, needs or experiences is more likely to be shared. If a post speaks to people's personal experience, interests or concerns, they're more likely to share it with others who can relate. Next is uniqueness. So posts that offer a fresh perspective or a unique angle on a topic are more likely to be shared. People are often drawn to content that stands out from the crowd and offers a new or surprising insight. Next, we have a visual appeal. Posts that feature eye-catching visuals, such as photos, videos or infographics, are more likely to be shared. Visual content is more engaging and memorable than text-only posts and can often communicate a message more effectively. Okay, next we have timeliness. Posts that are timely and relevant to current events or trends are more likely to be shared. People often share content that's related to a trending topic or event, as it allows them to participate in a broader conversation and stay up to date on latest news. Okay, last we have call to action. Posts that include a clear call to action, such as asking viewers to share or comment, are more likely to be shared or commented on. Call to actions can encourage people to engage with the post and spread it to their own networks. Okay, so now we've identified some of the common characteristics of viral posts, here are some tips for creating your own viral social media post. First up is create emotional content. Focus on creating content that elicits strong emotions and connects with people on a personal level. Humour, inspiration, and heartwarming stories are often effective at engaging viewers and encouraging them to share. Next, as we've mentioned before, is find your niche. Identify your target audience and create content that's relevant and interesting to them. Focus on a specific topic or theme that really resonates with your audience and tailor your content to their interests and needs. Next is be unique. So you want to offer a fresh perspective or unique on a topic. Look for ways to differentiate your content from what's already out there, or offer a new, surprising insight that will grab viewers' attention. Next we have use visuals. So incorporating eye-catching visuals into your posts, such as the odd photo, video or infographic, visual content is more engaging and more memorable than text-only posts, and can often communicate a message more effectively. Second to last, we have stay up to date. So you're going to want to stay up to date and stay on top of the latest news and trends, and create content that's timely and relevant to these current events. This can help you tap into broader conversations and reach a wider audience, so make sure you always keep an eye on what's trending. Okay, so last but not least is include a call to action. So encourage your viewers to engage with your content by including a clear call to action, such as asking them to share, asking them to comment, or even asking them to tag a friend. Call to actions can help increase engagement and spread your content to new audiences. So guys, in conclusion, virality is a term used to describe the rapid spread of content across the internet, especially through social media platforms. A post that goes viral typically reaches a large number of people, often beyond the creator's original network, and can generate significant publicity, attention, and impact. Emotional appeal, relevance, uniqueness, visual appeal, timeliness, and a call to action are some of the most common characteristics of viral posts. To create your own viral social media post, focus on creating emotional content that connects with people on a personal level. Tailor your content to your target audience, offer a fresh perspective, incorporate some eye-catching visuals, stay up to date on current events, and include a clear call to action to encourage engagement. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of creating a post that goes viral and reaches a wider audience. So guys, thank you very much for listening to this science behind virality. What we're going to do in the next few lectures, I'll take you through all the different tips and tricks that I've used and other creators have used to go viral and how you can use them with your own content. So guys, I will see you in the next lecture.